What's going on, guys? Today we're out at the Smoky Mountain Crawl, and Kawasaki has been gracious enough to let us do a test ride on the Ninja 400. So let's get it started and see what this thing is all about. Woo! Alright, first off, I want to give a huge thank you to Kawasaki USA for letting us do this. This is an amazing opportunity to be just be test riding some amazing bikes. We got the Z650, Z900. I know Kyle's planning on doing that bike. I'm thinking about jumping on the Z650 next. And I don't know, there's not really a like a dedicated like this, hey, this is what this bike is about. It's more or less trying to get that real first impressions. And holy crap! All right, so first off, this is my first time on a big bike. Like actually riding a big bike on the street, which is kind of sad, but I will say, like, this is comfortable. Like at first I had sitting on my buddy's CBR 600, and I just couldn't get used to the pegs and everything. But after riding the Z, like, I'm kind of in that mindset of how the pegs are gonna feel and just how it's gonna be. And okay, the brakes are really touchy, but they are very strong, I gotta say that. Hey, it's not GP shift, and it's actually a little weird because let's see, where is it? Right there it is. It's weird because I can like hear myself thinking now that I'm not running that dinger belt exhaust. Let's see. Okay, I can get into a full tut for if I'm racing. My plan for this, like if I were to ever get one of these, like my goal with this would be to be a dedicated track bike. And that's kind of like how I feel. Like if I can get up underneath, like sure with my Icon variant, it's not that aerodynamic, but luckily I am I'm planning on getting rid of it. Let's feel the rear brake. Rear brake is a little bit more to be desirable, but honestly I don't ever use my rear brake, unlike Kyle, who uses that rear brake all the time. Like really the only time I ever use it for screeching the tire, which that's really not a thing you're supposed to do on these big bikes. So up, sure I'm getting a lot of wind, but I'm also 6'3", 6'4", like it's just not something us tall people can really do is sitting straight up and not having issues. And that power, like I'm in 5th gear, low in the RPMs, and it pulls that hard. Gosh. Hey, turn signal's on, you dummy. Running GP shit has really messed me up. Like I keep flipping my foot around over the shifter to shift down. It's like, hey dummy, you gotta shift up to go up, not shift down to go up. All right, well guys, that's probably gonna wrap it up. Make sure, if you haven't already, hit that like button, and please hit that subscribe button, because we're planning on doing a comprehensive review of this bike, the Z650, the Z900, because I know Kyle wants to do that, and just a couple of other bikes out there that we have an interest in reviewing for you guys. So make sure to let us know on what bikes you'd like to see us give you a little review on. All right guys, see you later.